I have had the honor and the privilege of already having had an audience with him in Rome. I was able to talk to him. And I thought, thank you, magpapasalamat ako sa kanya. And when I saw him in Rome, ang sinabi ko, nagpasalamat ako, thank you for reminding us with your lessons of humility. Talaga, the one thing that this book teaches us is humility. Ano mo sagot sa akin? Yung business sinasabi, I will pray for you. Ang sagot niya, please pray for me. Ibang klase po, it's a different kind of ibang klase. Oh, iba, at dami ko nang nakilalang Santo Papa. Iba talagang dating po. Kaya kinahahangaan sa ng marami. Actually, nakakatawa, naka-ready yung mga kodigo na, pero nung nandun na, nautal kami na. Hindi na namin nasabi yung aming mga napaka magandang message na hinanda. Pero yun na nga siya, I'm Filipino, from the Philippines. Enero, I arrive, I come, Enero.
Sir, ilang pope na na-encounter dito?
Mula nung naging presidente yung father ko, lagi ako sinasama ng mother ko pag may audience with the Pope.
Kaya pala mabait kayo.
Si Benedict na. Kaya napakabait ko.
With that?
Influenced by the highest priest of the land. The Pope's a rock star. He's a rock star. Iba ang dating talaga. He's a rock star. Yung kasama ko yung nakalimutan nga halikan yung singsil. Ganun nga. Niloloko ko yung anak ko naka-shades. Sabi ko, ba't ka naka-shades? Yung Santo Papang ano, I forgot!
Wala na sa sarili.
Starstruck kami lahat.